All right, now see how this is going to work out. I don't know if you can see this or not. Crawling around on my knees. So all this time it was a 14 millimeter, but I got a 9/16, so what the hell. Okay, that's the front motor mount. Exhaust is down, the front motor mount is loose. It's not coming out for a while. I don't have a hoist or an engine stand, but when I push the car in the shop, the garage, we'll go from there. Boy, the guy scraped the ground on this one. Doesn't know how to drive. I'm telling you, look at that, ground bolts. Sometimes kids don't know what they're doing in these things. They just think they're in driving around in Fast and Furious and smash into shit. I'm not too happy about it. I don't know what I'm going to do. Ouch. I don't want to move the oil until it's dripped real good or I got something to put it in. I don't have anything to put it in right now. Oh, there's me. Let's see what's left in under this bolt. I'm doing it left-handed so it doesn't drip on my hand. So a little bit more come out. There was water in there. Got to even ground the pan where the plug goes. I'm telling you, some kids aren't careful when they're going up the driveway. Just grind into stuff. So when I get the pan off, I don't know what to do from there. Maybe I can, I don't know. This damn wind won't let me drain it all out without the wind taking it. So tired of it.